How to join a public server in Discord. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can join the public server in Discord. So to know how you can do this, watch this video till the very end. First of all, open your Google browser and search for discord.login and open and log in your Discord on the browser. Make sure you enter your credentials on the browser and open it. Also go on the very three vertical dots on the top right side and make sure you have just enabled your desktop side. It would be easier that way. Now you are already logged into your Discord account on the browser. Now you can see here is a green symbol right here. You need to tap on there. Now you will see all the public servers right here. You can join any you like it. Any of the server you want to. Also you can search for it on the very explore communities option. For example, I want to join this very server, then I'll just tap on it and it gives me option of joining it. So just tap on the very join option and you will be joined right there. Sometimes it might give you a verification of human or robot. You just need to verify it and then you will be done. You can also customize your experience or anything you want to in your server as well. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.